Hi, it's Grant Abbott, your family wealth protection specialist. You've heard me talk about family protection trusts before. They're like our Buckingham Palace. That's where we want to have all our assets. I had a client the other day who was looking at acquiring a property, a family home. He was going to look at putting in a trust. I'm going, why would you do that? Because his accountant told him to in order to protect it. Problem is, once you put it inside the trust, from that day onwards, capital gains starts ticking because the trust is not a person, so it doesn't get a principal place of residence exemption. Likewise, you're up for land tax, and that sounds pretty dumb to me. I said, look, the better way of doing it is you've got your deposit, put your deposit inside your family protection trust, gift it in, and then what we're going to do is we're then going to buy it in your name. You've got the principal place of residence exemption, you've got no land tax, but more importantly, the bank's going to lend you 80% for the deposit. We're actually going to not use that as an equity, we're going to lend it to you. And again, when we lend it, we don't have to charge interest rate on it because we don't want to get a non-deduction on this side and assessable income on this side. So basically we just do a small rate of interest. You do have to make payments on it at least at some point in time, like once every 5 years, to make sure that it's a valid loan. But from that perspective, it now means that the property is 100% geared. So if someone comes to attack you, they're going to see in your asset register when you actually file it with the other party solicitor, you're going to have an asset worth 2 mil and a loan worth 2 mil, there's nothing there for you. And more importantly, when you do a registration, your family protection trust is going to be the second mortgagee. So it's going to stand in front of any creditor anyway, which is important. So what happens if it increases in price? Well, essentially there what we do is we keep on doing gifts of equity, or more importantly, we take a call option into the family protection trust to buy that property at $2 million. And then at the end of the day, it means at any point in time, if it's sold, that money ends up going straight back into our family protection trust. Best strategy ever. Grant Abbott, signing off.